The EVMS Guidelines are grouped in 5 major categories which address these 5 sections. Organization. These guidelines require that the contractor's systems provide a clear definition of the overall contractual effort and assignment of responsibility for performing the work. Establishing a work breakdown structure and integrating it with the functional organization is a key element. Planning, scheduling, and budgeting. All the contract work must be planned, scheduled, budgeted, and authorized. Establishing the performance measurement baseline is the key requirement in this category. Accounting considerations. Costs must be accumulated and summarized. Cutoff periods must be the same for planned, earned value, and actuals. Analysis and management reports. Comparisons of performance versus budget and performance versus actuals. Any resulting significant variances require analysis. The development of estimates at completion is also dealt with in this category. Revisions and data maintenance. Incorporation of both external and internal changes to the baseline must be accomplished in a disciplined, timely manner.